How to delete trending searches on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to delete trending searches on Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. First, launch a web browser on your device. For demo, I am opening Chrome. So in order to delete trending searches on Android phone, simply tap on three dots of the searches and tap on turn off. To turn it on back, tap three dots again and tap on turn on. In case if this option is not available on your device, you simply need to come back. Long press on the browser and tap I button. Now you need to simply tap on storage uses and tap clear all the cache. Come back. Select permissions and make sure that you allow all the app permission. Come back and tap on force stop and force stop the application. Now you need to access your quick setting panel and turn on airplane mode for a while and turn back it off. After you do that, you will successfully find that option and you can follow the same step in order to delete trending searches on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.